Day trader versus gambler. 24 hours. Whoever makes more money wins $50,000 cash. My name is Zay.
My name is Ricky.
I make millions day trading.
And I've made about $1 million gambling.
Today, we settle the debate once and for all. Whoever profits more within 24 hours wins $50,000 cash. I walked into this thinking it would be the easiest money I'd ever make.
He had no idea what he was getting into.
Let's settle it.
Guys, I am off in the G-Wagon, ready to absolutely dominate this.
Let's get it, guys. I'm pulling away in the Porsche right now, and I have no doubt I'm going to win this. So while he's gambling, about to lose all of his money at the casino, I just pulled up to the office and I got Forex Factory open right here and Trading View. I'm about to look for a banger trade that fits my parameters. I'm about to take a high probability setup so we can beat him. I would use my AI, but that would be a little bit unfair.
All right, guys, we just got here at Magic City Casino in Miami, Florida. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make real money. Let's watch what we turned this $1,000 into. So we just got here, guys. Just a quick disclaimer, I am a sports bettor.
So I flat bet $250,000 a hand.
But since I do only have 24 hours for this challenge, I'm gonna come here, place a little bit of SWAT, a little bit of slots, a little bit of roulette, show you guys how to do it like a pro.
All right, so I'm looking at this trade here on the USD JPY. So overall here, if I mark this up, you can see we've broken out of this level here and now we're holding it. And if we look at the higher time frames, 1 hour, overall bullish, we're forming higher lows and higher highs. 4 hour, same thing, you zoom out, overall bullish, and daily, weekly as well. So I'm gonna be looking to take a quick little scalp swing on this trade. Trump just spoke a couple minutes ago, so there should be some good volume in. Let's enter in this trade right now on the USD JPY. I know for sure he's struggling right now, whatever he's playing, because he can't build an edge. He doesn't have an actual strategy set in place. So
now, just because it's gambling doesn't mean you don't have a strategy, right? So you have strategy with trading, we also have a strategy with gambling.
let's enter in this trade. I'm going with one lot right now.
So this is the whole bankroll. We got $1,000 cash versus Zay's $1,000. The grand prize is 16K. You know, everyone sees that and they try to go for the home run. We're here for that mini bonus. We get that 30, we scale out of it, we go on to the next game. I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we got a 10 cents gain here. You know, it's about a 0.001% gain. We'll work with it. Let's keep on compounding our gains.
All right, guys, we just hit take profit. Let's close this out. I got 4 positions open. Okay, I'm gonna close this out. Close all these positions. Boom, boom. Took like about an hour or two for this trade to hit. Now it's time to find another trade on this. So we started off with around like 990 fees and all that. Now we're up 1,100. We have our total balance. So we're up like $100 so far for the day, a little bit over.
So guys, on a $3 bet, we're at 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 52. And we still have one more free game. Let's see what we get. Ooh, $3 into 58. Look at that, baby. That is what I call free money. Let's keep it going.
See, I wonder what's going on with him. If he's losing, he probably lost all his money already. But let's see what's going on. Send that boy a text. That boy probably lost all his money already. Look at that, look at that. Just hit that level, but we took our profit. Good little trade. Oh, he's typing. I was just staring at the charts and guessing going. Little does that boy know. Little does he know. Up 100. I wonder what's going on with him right now. And this trade is running. Sheesh. Oh, let's see what that boy has to say. Up, what? Got some catching up to do. He's up 140. So let's see. I'm gonna look for the next trade. Right now, we're approaching this high right now. So if we could break above this high, close above it, I'm gonna hop in another little long. But I'm gonna look at other pairs right now, see if we could find a good trade. Got some catching up to do, but he's most likely lucky right now. We all know gamblers, they get that little lucky streak. He's gonna eventually lose it all.
So I officially finished that slot machine. It was rigged. Turned $10 into $1.10. Let's keep on finding a better way to flip this money.
Sheesh, we're mooning. She's mooning. And now we just secured a 1 to 3. It keeps on pushing. Let's see how it reacts. All right, taking profit here. Okay, that's another 200. Told you guys what I was waiting for that breakout. And then we're gonna enter that. Took some longs. Now total balance almost at 1,300. So we're up like almost 300, 200 and something for the day, like 270 because of the fees and stuff. Time to check up on him. No way he's beating this. All right, let's FaceTime this boy. Trade running a little bit, but secured a nice little 1 to 3. Nice little trade. Let's see. I usually don't risk this much, but boy's gambling. We got a challenge going on, so gotta risk a little more. Let's see what's up with this boy. So it's taking him so long. Oh, look, we're connecting. You taking a shit, boy? I'm up almost 300 right now. I'm at 270. Yes, sir. What you, 200? Okay. You doing better than I expected. Not gonna lie, I thought you would have lost it already. Yeah, right. That money's mine, boy. All right, guys, if I could get a pullback to this level right here, I'm hopping in the long. Let's wait for this next 1 minute candle to open. We could break above here, entering long, or if we pull back to this level, I'm entering long. See, okay, we're breaking that. Okay, I like this one here. I'm entering bigger here. Let's enter in a couple positions. Okay. This is it. This is make it or break it. This is gonna determine if we win the challenge or not. So come on, let's see. Setup looks good, but we are risking a little bit more because this is a challenge. We have to win this shit. So let's see. This is make it or break it for us right now. Down a little bit, but I'm liking this setup. Stop loss real tight on this, and we just had to pull back to that level. So let's see if we could get continuation of these highs.
All right, never mind on the roulette. That table was filled and I was waiting for about 30 minutes. Couldn't get a spot. So I decided to play more slots. I'm currently up $240 in total. And yeah, Zay shot me a tech. He's up about, I think, 200. So we're currently beating him, but they just started. I'm gonna start slow, bet small increments. And then as time goes on, and depending on how much money Zay's making, I'll increase the risk. So far, we're looking good. I'll update you guys in a bit. So I started off playing that slot machine with $100 in total. We're moving on, $133, about $33 in profit in about a fucking hour. But hey, slow progress is progress. Keep it going, baby. Guys, this slot machine calling my name. So the profits we got on that one, I'm a full port it on this slot machine. Go big or go home. I just lost all my money. Yeah, guys, slot machine is gambling. Never fucking playing slots. Stick to trading. Nah, just kidding. We're gonna get it back, you know, small loss. It's all good. We still got around 900 and something to play with. Still waiting for that roulette table to open up. That's where the real money's gonna come in. So guys, just be patient for that.
All right, guys, just like that, TP hit again. Oof, just shy a little bit. Let's see how this next candle reacts. I'm about to close this. Wait for this, up 88 on this position. See, we barely had drawdown on this. Okay, boom, just like that, smash through TP. Oh yeah, took the same trade basically 3 times, guys. This is a little learning lesson for you guys. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is why the trend is your friend. Told you guys higher time frames. I was overall bullish on this pair. You can see first trade we took over here, broke structure. We were overall bullish, hit that key level, and it take profit. Down took about an hour or 2 to play out, and we took another scalp over here. This one was quick. It was a nice little 1 to 3 on that. Broke out of this pennant and I entered that trade. Overall, I was bullish. Sentiment was bullish. Remember, trend is your friend. And then same thing over here. Once we hit TP over here, I waited for a pullback to the key level. As you can see, we hit that key level and we broke out of this pennant formation. And just like that, TP got smashed. We're still running, but that's 3 trades took.
Guys, this casino fucking sucks. I've been sitting here for about 2 hours and no one has got off the fucking roulette table. So I just been sitting here watching them have the time of their life while I let Zay take advantage and pass me in profits. Do I just tackle one of these fuckers off the chair and start playing, or do I call security and say someone's been cheating the system? Go big or go home. Thoughts as I sit here in pain, trying to recover my gains.
As you can see, look at that. All of these trades, winning trades. As you guys can see, you saw it raw. It doesn't get any rawer than this. But there's no way he's beating me. I'll probably wait maybe Asia's session, see if I can find another trade. But we're up like 35% on this account already. So there's no way he's beating that. 35% in a day, that's pretty freaking good. So let's see, I'm gonna check up with him. Let's see how he's doing.
Guys, we finally did it. We're at the roulette table, pretty crowded right now. Let's make some real gains. All right, guys, just got off the roulette table. I'm currently up on my total bankroll. I'm up $400. So the total bankroll right now is $1,400. I'm gonna try to finish the day off with a little bit of slots. Keep it easy. The roulette table is getting a little bit too crowded. So I'll update you guys on this. Let's keep it going. Give me something nice, baby. Give me something nice. And I got absolutely nothing. Another one. Come on. And we won around.
I was gonna gonna sit on my hands, let that 35% gain, because no way he's gonna pass that, and just, you know, wait for the next entry. Maybe if we could get a pullback to these levels over here again, then I'll enter in another trade. But right now, just gonna sit on my hands, not force anything, wait for volume to kick in during Asia session maybe. But right now, good, happy with these profits. We should win this challenge. 4 hours into the challenge right now, I'm up almost 35%. But you know what, guys? I'm so confident that I'm going to beat him that I'm gonna just end it right here. I'm gonna stop trading. I'm not gonna force any other trades. We still got like 20 hours left in the challenge, and I bet I'll still beat him. But let's see what he's doing right now. He's probably sweating balls right now. So let's just wait and see if we win the challenge. I think we are though.
So end of the day recap here. So I think the highest amount of profits I was at was around $450, playing a little bit of roulette, a little bit of slots, and I ended the day off playing slots, lost around $200, ended it at a total P&L of $250. Now this is one of the most important things when gambling, trading, whatever you're doing. You need to know when to take profits. You need to know when you beat the house, when you beat the casino, and just walk away. I'm a full ported on this slot machine. Go big or go home. Just, you know, managing risk, realizing that the longer you stay, the higher chance the casino has of taking your money. And what's the number one rule? Keeping your money. Keeping your money is the number one rule of gambling. You want to stay with the money you came in with. I'm pretty sure Zay blew his account. Probably tried to full port, tried to make some crazy stuff happen, and he's probably sitting there crying with $0 in his trading account. So let's go find out what he has. So I'm currently pulling into Zay's office to take his $50,000. Let's see where he is. Oh, and by the way, I appreciate the ride, Zay. You know, I just flew in today. He let me borrow the little G-Wagon. Appreciate it. So let me borrow the G-Wagon and let me take his $50,000 cash. Zay's a good friend, man. He's a good friend.
Yes, sir. No way he's beating this. Got the 50K cash right there. Told me he's almost here. He should be pulling up in my G-Wagon. Oh, I think that's him. I see some lights. Is that him, boy? Heck are those lights? I hope I'm not recording a random person. That sounds like my G. No way, that's not my G. Yes, it is. That boy probably sad right now. No way he beat this. There's no way.
Look at him post it up. Look at him go. Look at him recording me. Thinking he's about to win the $50,000. Look at my money sitting right there, nice in the Porsche. Let's go ahead and see how much he made. You ready to give me that money? No way. You ready to give me that money?
No way you beat me.
You ready to give me that money?
No way.
Alright, no way. Alright, so first, I'm gonna count the cash that I won, and then you show me your trading account.
Okay, let's see.
Even though I know it's at 0. Okay, so.
No way he won.
I came with profits. You got a profit?
Of course.
Okay, I didn't expect that.
I didn't expect you to profit. You're the one gambling. He's nervous. He knows he lost. He knows he lost. No way he's beating this. Okay, still hasn't. Still ain't seen no profits. Yeah, right. He ain't winning.
220. 1,240.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, so I'll take the 50K. I'll take the 50K. I appreciate it.
Yeah, how about you look at this, boy?
No way. Let me see the trade history. No way, bro. What? So you won on a winning streak.
Yes, sir.
You won every trade you took.
Didn't lose a single one, boy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That 50K is mine.
You deserve it. You know, back-to-back wins.
Yes, sir. It was a good trading day.
50K. And by the way, I appreciate the G-Wagon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How was it?
I ain't gonna lie, it's smooth. And for the weight, it could haul a little bit.
Okay. No, I'm surprised you actually profited though. That's pretty crazy. I thought you were gonna lose all your money.
It was a slight day. Even though it's not my domain, I'm more of a sports betting type of guy.
Yeah.
I'll still come in and take some money from the casino.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
What you learned from gambling today, huh? What you learned about trading versus gambling?
You might have to teach me what you know.
Yeah.
You might have to sit down with me and teach me what you know.
Hey.
I'm trying to get those profits.
I've never won a single dollar going to the casino, so you might have to show me a little something too.
Maybe one day.
Yes, sir. Hey, it was a good little game.
Close battle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are you gonna do with this 50K?
You know what? I'm probably gonna. I'm in between a little. Shh. Maybe on the next video, you guys will find out.